We're gonna do just a run with random amounts, random quantities of stuff. So we decided to put this much powder in it, or potassium nitrate, and we're gonna use an equivalent volume of sugar, because the weight and the volume of the weights are different, but the volumes should about equate the right ratio that we need. There's the potassium nitrate. Sugar. Right. Oh shit, that's a lot. Oh, now we gotta put
Now, there should be a science to this, you know, measuring it out. Also, we should be grinding it to get the best surface area to volume ratio. But because we are men of science, we're going to try this out, just sort of 23 skidooing it, and see what happens. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get. Ooh, it smells bad.
We are mixing a almost pure fuel with an almost pure chemical oxidizer. Do not try this at home. We are idiots, and if you do this, you will die.
For sure.
All right, and science.
Science.
In 3, 2, 1.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Ooh. Something's happening.
Too much sugar.
Well, I'm not gonna lie, that was actually way more than I was expecting. It actually tried to go.
Well, mystery mix.
Important safety note. You should not grind after mixing your fuel with your oxidizer. Ground candy rocket fuel, still unmeasured, in 3, 2, 1.
Are you expecting it to light up? Or
Should.
too much sugar?
I don't know what there's too much of.
It's like this. Alright, we got something. I think it's too much sugar. That's what I think it is.
Volumetric 1 for 1. Ground candy fuel. Take 1.
It's still burning. It's not gone up like it's pretty sure it's a heat coming out. Get this in again. It's pretty clean. I use a lit match and then an unlit match.
Okay, yeah, let's bury the unlit match in there. Get that initial.
If it flares up, it's going to make the powder flare up too.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, so then that, we got a chain reaction.
It's a lot better. It took the initial.
It's the heat.
It's the heat coming off of the actual match head when it initially ignites. Let it take. We're gonna be back with magical internet information in 3, 2, 1, and we're back. So the internet says that the ideal ratio by weight is about 13 to 6. I think it said. real quick, rough math, it's about twice as much oxidizer as fuel by weight. So,
we have a scale. Handy dandy pot scale. I'm not using it for that today.
do we have a lid for this?
No.
We should have gotten something with a lid. So that should be about 200 grams of perfectly mixed candy fuel. There are some clumps in it. So 3, 2, 1.
That was almost perfect.
We did that right next to our open thing of pure rocket fuel. So
Let's not do that again.
let's explain what we're doing right now. We have added a little bit of metal oxide to it, basically to see if we can get the flame to change colors.
Did you do anything differently? We'll have to watch the video to see.
Yeah, we'll have to watch the video. So
I do think the sparks were different.
Right, so now we have a packed candy fuel, no nozzle yet, just packed into a socket with a match head.
Science.
I think it's safe to say we have more or less succeeded.
This was a success.
Now we need to put a lid on that giant vat full of rocket fuel. I cannot stress enough, do not do anything that we do. Now in theory, there's nothing really dangerous about this aside from the heat. Obviously fire is dangerous, but this isn't enclosed in anything. There's no shrapnel, there's no, I don't think there's dangerous fumes. Don't quote me on that.
Yeah, we're gonna die.
I think this is about the safest you can be with pure propellants.
Yeah, let's propel. Maybe I'm on fire. Oh yeah, that was beautiful. That couldn't have looked better.
Did you notice it was purple?
Yes.
The gunpowder underneath and the candy fuel burned purple. It smells like freedom.